chickens. Hi, babies. Hi. Come on. Hi, chickies. Hi, babies. Here comes more running from behind there. Here comes more. Hi, babies.
It's a baby.
Look at them all. They're everywhere.
You get big. No, I know you're scared of me. I got my favorite chicken.
Look at them all back here in the hay.
Ethan, I want to pet him.
Can let Sissy pet for a minute.
And you through here. Thank you. Good boy. Easy. I like how this one has a black
Hi, babies.
This one has a black beak. So that's mostly my favorite. The
Yeah.
other ones have like whitish yellow beaks. No, no.
Was there still? You can let her down now. You can let her down now.
Oh my gosh. Chicken's strong.
Let her down so she can run around and eat some bugs.
We got 2 black ones. Come here, Poppy. Come on, Papa. Come here. Hello, Papa.
Hey,
Papa!
you know you can't catch Pepper.
Get over here.
Easton, quit chasing Pepper. Easton, come on. Oh my goodness, look at them all. They're everywhere. There's some across the road too. It's a creek. Don't step in the mud, please. Hi, babies. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Let's go. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. She's all right. It's fine, Easton. Here, let me see one.
Wait,
Let me see one.
I'm gonna do the what?